Recently, we saw what many people consider concerning conditions inside the St. Louis City Justice Center.
But what rights do inmates have? Fox 2's Vic Faust examines that with Andrea McNairy and this week's Legal Lens.
What are the individual rights of an inmate?
So everyone, whether they're a prisoner or awaiting trial, has rights. Even if it's somebody who's been sentenced to death, there are certain rights guaranteed by the U.S. Constitution. The most common one you hear about is the right to humane facilities and conditions, the right to assert a claim under the American with Disabilities Act, the right to medical care and attention as needed, and the right to appropriate mental health care. There's also another right that touches on this situation with Lonzo Cummings, which is the Eighth Amendment right to be protected from cruel and unusual punishment. So in the prison context, if an inmate believes their conditions are inadequate or unsanitary or unsafe, they would claim a violation of the Eighth Amendment of the Constitution.
What would constitute an Eighth Amendment violation?
You know, just because prisoners are basically stripped of their ability to get basic necessities. So prison officials are required to provide those basic necessities, things like food, clothing, shelter, sanitation, medical care, and provide for their personal safety. The test the courts kind of use to decide whether something's adequate or not is whether or not those conditions of confinement actually result in a prisoner degenerating rather than reforming. So if it's found that conditions in a prison actually make the likelihood of reformation less likely, a court may rule that there is not adequate needs being met.
What does Missouri law require?
So Missouri law has very little, almost nothing related to what prisoners or what prisons are required to do. But the U.S. Constitution does extend to Missouri prisons.
Vic Faust, Fox 2 News.